Agriculture is the foundation of everything we call civilization. 6,000 years ago, the farmer's problem was to grow enough to feed anybody other than himself. Even as little as 200 years ago, in what we now call the developed countries, it took 3 men toiling on the land to grow enough food to feed a 4th. Today, in those same countries, every farm worker produces enough food to feed at least another 60 people. The modern farm worker is a highly skilled technician, cultivating increasingly bigger farms with progressively more complex machinery. Massey Ferguson have always been fully responsive to his improving status and aware of our ever-increasing dependence on him. So, for the new farm worker, a new sophisticated environment, a better place in which to spend his working day, the cab of a 500 series tractor. Here he is, the farm worker, the man we depend on. We have brought him a long way since the dawn of agriculture. But up till now, any improvements in his life have been the byproducts of technical advance. Now, we put him first. That's what Massey Ferguson's new 500 series is all about. The vital thing is the cab. From the start, it was made part of the tractor, so that noise, dust, heat and cold are shut out. A spring suspension seat and rubber mountings for the cab protect him from tiring jolts and vibration. Instruments are easy to read, with clear international symbols. And the controls are just the same as he's used to on the current MF tractors. All in all, the perfect place to spend his working day. Even though he's shut away from the weather, we designed a cab that lets him clearly see what he's doing. We don't dictate his environment. The heating and ventilation system lets him adjust the rate and direction of the flow of air and its temperature. In his cab, he can be as comfortable as in his car. Good road speed, quiet and smooth. This tractor, the 590, is just one of a whole new family. The 500 series has 3 more members, making up a range which will suit every farmer's needs. The 590 we see here is the big brother. 75 din horsepower, enough for almost any job. Then the 575 with 66 horsepower. The 565 at 60 horsepower, and finally the baby, but likely to be a big seller, the 47 horsepower 550. And don't forget the already popular 595, which you all know. It has many of the great features of the new 500 series. "75 horsepower at work has to make quite a racket." Outside, that is, of course. Up the hill, with masses of torque back up from the Perkins engine. and fast down the other side in multi-power high when the going's easier. To him, the hydraulic system is what he's used to, the best in the world. Now it's further improved in keeping with the advanced engineering built into the 500 series. Power steering makes turning on the headland a fingertip job, and it's standard right through the new 500 series. Many modern machines need power from the tractor's PTO shaft. Some, like this mower, need a low power drive at 540 RPM. Others need a high power drive at 1000 RPM, like this precision chop forager. But changing speeds is simple. You simply change shafts. And their different splines make mistakes impossible. Connecting up to hydraulic power is easy too. Implement engineers also demand electrical power. In this particular case, it's being used to alter the angle of the spout. MF have designed this new 80 loader, especially for the 500 series tractors. Clear view panels at the driver's feet make driving in simplicity itself. And coupling is just as simple. More output from both the auxiliary and basic hydraulics means faster work with any implement that uses rams. Because the cab is sealed, we have had to abandon the time-honored rod linkage for tripping the fork. So here for the 500 series, the trip is electrical. Many farmers will buy the 550 as a smaller tractor for general use about the farm. Here it pulls the muck spreader. This is a glimpse of another great new product, the MF 160 plough, designed with the 500 series well in mind. The back window's open, so he could lean out to adjust the plough. But there's no need, because we've given him hydraulic controls. There are two rams. One moves the plough from side to side. The other varies the front furrow width. Here you see it all in action. Clearly, a tractor that's easy to maintain will be looked after better, keep its value longer. 500 series tractors are hard-nosed. This means better collision protection, which of course enhances resale values. Amongst other things, the hard nose also houses the air cleaner and battery. And in the cab, easy access to the transmission oil filler, not forgetting the sound absorbent plug. The cab's air filter is no trouble to check either. So there you are, the 500 series. Quiet, comfortable, tough, hard-working, and built to last. Real drivers' tractors.